Boys and girls, how are we all doing? Welcome back to another video. Now this one just gets me excited in general, I'll be completely honest with you. Normally I know where to start, normally I've got a plan. This stuff, I haven't got a clue where to start. I'm literally just going to show you it as it comes across, because yeah, they're incredible. I'll start with some closer bits just so I can move them out of the way. Shop stock Dinky Toy Phantom, just look at that. Still sealed, stunning. Then you've got the rarer Thunderbolt. Again, absolutely stunning. Which is a nice model. Got a bit of French Dinky down by here. Always love the French Dinky stuff. Always sells really well. Compared to the British Pullmore Transporter, I do like the British one, but this French one, it's incredible. I also love the fact of the ramps. You can actually access it. Where the British one, you have to buy the accessory to go with it. So I'm going to move that out of the way and to take you through to some of these Minics. Check these. Absolutely stunning. It's an early one as well. And what's interesting with this, I find, it's got a pool decal under there. Obviously the pool one is a really rare grey one. Now I'm thinking, has that been added at a later point? It's quite on there, quite solid. Or is that like a bit of a factory error? I'm not too sure. We've got some lovely Vauxhalls as well. The Tourer convertible and also the town one. Just check these. Of course, all of them fully working as well, which is nice. Another Minic down here, dust cart. Slightly clean as well, really clean. And then we've got another Minic, which obviously a removal van or a transport van with the rear doors, which is very important. And we got the Caravan, which I do absolutely love. Quite clean as well, again, condition wise, absolutely stunning. Now all of these are for sale as per usual. So any of this you can buy. You know, please don't ask for individual prices, because I get a lot of emails about that. Literally head on to the eBay store and everything is documented there. Now look at this CKO truck. That is absolutely gorgeous, and that is not something you see every day. Stunning. Let's create some space now, right? Because I'm going to show you some cool stuff. Firstly, Schucos. Two of them here. One in blue, one in red. Check the condition out on these. I don't know if I can do it. I've got to check I get the right side for it tips everywhere. Both of them fully complete. I know I need to invest in a mount really, guys, so you can see these properly. Look at these. You know what I'm saying? Absolutely incredible. Totally original. Condition wise, wow, that's all I gotta say about it. Right, now this is where things get exciting before I show you these. Right, two identical sort of ones, both by the same company, both, you know, 60s, that space era. Random as hell. End bit here, pretend if you're gonna press it against a wall. There we go. I went too good on the one hand. Up we go. That was a bit of a fail, I'll be honest with you. I tell you what, let's do the silver version. It's harder than the looks in one hand, I promise you. There we go. Out the back then. The ramp's gonna pop out with that. Check that. In my head, that was gonna go a lot better than what it went, honestly, guys. But that's a bit of fun, we'll keep that in there. Let's pop that here. Look at the Pan American plane, obviously, before it was Pan Am. As we all know and love, the 747s. This Mark's car here, absolutely incredible. Condition on it, stunning. It's red as well, it's perfect. Then we've got the Hong Kong rickshaw, which is fully working. That's a neat little item. My favourite thing I'm going to show you to is this nutty mad Indian. Check this now, right? Again, fully working. Look at the condition on him. Absolutely incredible. Stunning. Look how clean his clothes are as well. I mean, he works great when you wind him up. Obviously, too honest to do him, to be honest with you. I don't want to break him. Just check that. I'm in love with it. I think it's incredible. Absolutely incredible. So that's a bit of a short and sweet video, but I just wanted to show you some of the items I'm just currently listing on the store. It's a bit shorter than usual, I'll be honest with you, but I've been listing for over 11.5 hours today on eBay. You haven't seen the half of it yet, so I'm gonna get back to the listing, and I just wanted to give you a bit of a tease and a bit of a preview and see Go and check out eBay, Jones Vintage World. Link in the description. Until next time.